In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play a video in a Zoom meeting so that everyone can see and hear it properly. Whether you're sharing a short clip or part of a presentation, a little setup before you press play makes all the difference. First, open the video in your browser or media player and let it load if it's online. Pause it at the exact point where you want to begin, and set the player's volume to a comfortable level. To avoid distractions or slowdowns, close apps or tabs that might trigger notifications or use extra bandwidth. If possible, do a quick test in a private meeting to confirm levels. When you're ready to share, click the green Share Screen button on the Zoom toolbar. In the sharing window, choose the specific window that contains your video if you want to show only that. If you plan to switch between the video and other content, sharing your entire screen can be more convenient, but remember that anything on that screen will be visible. Before you start, enable two options. Check Share Computer Sound so the audio from your video is sent straight into the meeting instead of being picked up by your microphone. Then check Optimize for Video Clip, sometimes shown as Optimize for full-screen video. This setting smooths motion and reduces choppiness, which is ideal for clips. It does slightly soften small text, so use it primarily for moving video rather than static slides. Click Share. You'll see a confirmation or a colored border indicating that your screen or window is live. Switch to your video, make it full screen if you prefer, and press play. Use the player controls to pause, rewind, or adjust the volume. It's smart to do a brief audio check with participants at the start and keep your own system volume at a steady level. Wearing headphones can prevent echo and helps keep your microphone from picking up the video audio. If playback looks choppy, try reducing the player size a bit or closing extra applications to free up resources. When the video is finished, or anytime you want to stop, click Stop Share in the Zoom toolbar. You'll return to the regular meeting view immediately. That's all you need. By preparing your video, sharing the correct window, and enabling Share Computer Sound and Optimize for Video, you'll deliver smooth playback and clear audio to everyone in your Zoom meeting.